Well, the chains work pretty good. The only place I got stuck was down there. And not even stuck, it started to spin a little, so all I had to do was feather the hydro, and I was able to walk out. I just got to remember to use the weight of that snowblower to pull me or push me, instead of trying to fight it too much. Tighten them up a little bit. I put gas in it, so I'm gonna go park it. I think I'm done. But yeah, not too bad of a day. My dad missed out on all the fun because complained to the electric company about some buzzing out of the power lines, and the guys came and cut them today while I was plowing. So yeah, my aunt needed to go to the doctor, but I don't know. We've been going all day, so I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so I figure I'd give you an update on the tire chains. They do work, definitely. So they're worth the investment if you don't want to get your asphalt damaged. So definitely worth it. And the flapper mod worked good on this tractor. I blew the snow like over there, where I plowed in the, piles. And it worked really good. So, alright guys, it's quite cold out. It's like 20 something degrees, but the wind chill makes it cold, as you can tell by the exhaust on the tractor. So alright, I'm gonna go put it away. But thank God this time no parts fell off, no nothing. So at least I got some of the bugs. We'll have to check and see if there's any more. Talk to y'all later.